Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to create the character array using array module. Very first two line of this program is non-executable statement which is not executed in the runtime. It is called multi-line command. Multi-line commands are start with three double quotation and here ending with three double quotation. Next line, I am going to import the array module to this program. The syntax is from is a keyword. This array is a module name. Import is also a keyword. The star indicating all. That means it is going to import all the classes, objects, variables, etc. which are available in from this array module to this program into this program. Next line, I am going to create the array variable x. X is equal to this array is a class which is available in this array module. This array class is has two parameter. The first one is a unique type code, that is u is indicating the character array. U is indicating character array. Each element it occupies 2 bytes in the memory. This type code is enclosed with a single quotation. There are 13 types of type codes are available. Small b signed integer, capital B unsigned integer. Both are occupied 1 bytes in the memory. For each, if you want to store each element, it will occupy 1 byte. Next one is a small h and capital H. Small h is a signed integer, capital H is unsigned integer. Both are occupied 2 bytes in the memory. And small I signed integer, capital I is unsigned integer. Both are occupied 2 bytes in the memory. Next one is a small l signed integer, capital L unsigned integer. Both are occupied 4 bytes in the memory. Next one is a small q signed integer, capital Q unsigned integer. Both are occupy 8 bytes in the memory. Apart from that, a floating data value that is with a decimal pointer, small f, it's occupy 4 bytes in the memory. Then small d, that is double data type, that it's occupy 8 bytes in the memory. Okay. Here I am going to create a character array. That's why I am using small u. It's occupy for each element, it's occupy 2 bytes in the memory. Next parameter is elements. That elements are enclosed with square bracket. Each element enclosed with a single quotation separated by commas. This x of 0th location SA, x of first location A, x of uh, second location R, x of third location A, x of fourth location B, x of fifth location A, x of sixth location N, x of seventh location A, x of eighth location N. So total length of this array is 9, but it's vary from 0 to n minus 1, that is 8. Next line, print statement, it is going to print the message on the screen. The array elements are, this message will print. After that, cursor will move to immediate next line. Here loop statement for I in x, end with colon. So I indicating x of first element. So it will x of first element will print. After printing, here I am using end equal to within single quotation. I am giving one space. After printing the first element s, it will give one blank space. The cursor will wait there only. Then control comes here, and now it will move the cursor. Now it is indicating x of second element, that is a, will print. Then it will give one blank spaces. The cursor will be there only. Then control comes here, and now it will move to next element. Now the next element is R will print, and it will give one blank space. Cursor will move. Cursor will be there only. Then control comes here. It will move to next line, next character. So now I is indicating x of fourth character, that is a, will print. it will give one blank spaces. After this blank spaces, cursor will be there only. Then control comes here. It will move to next character of X, that is V. Now I is indicating X of fifth element, that is X of fourth element. So it will print, then it will give one blank space, then the cursor will be there only. Then I is indicating X of sixth element, sorry, X of fifth element. Now X of fifth element is A, it will print, then it will give one blank spaces. After these blank spaces, cursor will be there, then control comes here and it will move to X of next element, that is X of sixth element is N, will print, then it will give one blank spaces, cursor will be there only, then control comes here, automatically it goes to X of seventh element. X of seventh element, I is indicating X of seventh element, it will print, then cursor will be there only, it will give one blank spaces, cursor will be there only. Then now I is indicating X of eighth element, then it will print, then it will give one blank spaces, cursor will, after that blank spaces, cursor will be there only. Now the elements are over, so condition is false, control comes to next statement, the program is over. How to run the program? F5 is used to run the program. You can get this output, array elements are, you can get all the elements. Okay, fine, the program is over. Kindly subscribe this channel and you press bell icon. If you press the bell icon, you may get new my videos.